if anyone's here to talk about the rules or...
Sure, I'll start. Good evening.
Good evening.
It's so lovely to
I
be
think you have
here.
to go to that
Do I have to go to
table.
that?
Yeah.
Can I talk here?
This is private.
No, it's not a private
I-
table. If you could just please state and spell your name. Thank you.
Denise Jillson, Executive Director of Harvard Peer Business Association. And just to chat very briefly about the, rather than calling it a CAP policy, because it's really more encompassing, I'm going to say it's the alcohol license issuing policy, right? But we all know that, because when I say cap, then people think that you sort of for the cap, against the cap, but in any case, really delighted to continue the conversation relative to the policy and would just once again implore the Commission to just give us a little more time. We've been talking to many of our members, getting lots and lots of input. I know that there's going to be one more hearing, I think on the 24th, and then we were looking maybe to have a vote sometime in June. And I feel like if we could just spend a little more time talking about the policy, making sure that all of the stakeholders have an opportunity to express their concerns, so that what we come up with is a really ironclad policy that will prevent us from getting into trouble and be something that we can really be proud of and set an example for the rest of the Commonwealth. I understand just from talking to the Commissioner as well as others that we may be in violation of the Massachusetts or the ABC and C policies, and we're trying very hard to get everything into compliance. And we feel that probably 98% of what's been proposed to be changed is wonderful. It's administrative, it should be changed, but we also feel like the most important piece of that is the piece about the non-transferables, no values, and how we can make sure that we're doing the right thing going forward, but have really good language and really think very long and hard and deep about ramifications in the future. So we submitted a letter to the Commission asking for a little bit of just a little more time so that we could confer with everybody and also with our partners and colleagues at the various business associations and the Chamber of Commerce. And just thank you for taking that into consideration.
Thank you. And Ms. Jillson, just for the record, you can tell your members that we are taking public testimony as well on our June 7th meeting and our June 21st meeting. Thank you. Anyone else here to speak on the rules? No? Okay, so let's proceed to item number 2.